file to Azure Blob Storage. These are the components involved here. We can write Azure function, we can use PowerShell script, and we can use some easy commands. Here in this tutorial we have used this component over here. Then a storage account required for Blob Storage. Then in next we can export it and we can also use some repository vault. For this, first of all, we need to create a user and run these two commands. The first command is here to create the first command that you need to run is in master database. That's over here. You need to create a user and add it to DB manager. Next, this is the command that you need to execute in your database. With that will be used to export the file. And if we go to, you can see when we execute this script, it will start taking the backup of database, and it gives us a storage link from where we can get its status when it's completed.